Soundstripe.
We finally got out of prison, you know what I'm saying? We're all locked up. It was crazy, man. I don't know about y'all, I feel like Groundhog Day. Every day you wake up, same day, next day, don't touch that bag or it's gonna kill you. I'm like, what? Bring the bag. God, it was insane. Also the body. Now that's gonna be very careful that you don't hit your body.
So sleep. Now, you know, I'm interactive, so I gotta do this. Look at somebody next to you, smile, and tell them, go to bed. Say that to them real quick. Say, go to bed. It's simple. It's very simple. It's simple. Y'all got iPads, iPhones, television set, a grub sitting right there. You don't turn the bedroom into the living room, the dining room, and it's the bedroom. Go to bed. See, that's one of our problems. We don't go to bed. We go to iPad, we go to checking emails. You know what I mean? You got something on the do. See, what you do can become frustrating. I don't want to do this anymore. How many of you have kids say something like, I don't want to do this? Yeah, we don't say it sometimes. But when it's a system, you don't even think about doing it anymore. We have to understand right now the why, because we have wellness programs. We have, you know, go get some smoothies at a discount. You know, we have here's some coupons to Salad Works, and then you have a whole stack of those things sitting on the desk because nobody even grab them. And so we got to understand why. Why is this thing of self-care so important? Okay, so here's a question I have for you. If you were given, think about this, okay, an expensive car as a gift, how would you treat it? All right, think about it. Somebody gave you a Lamborghini or, you know, a Rolls Royce. First of all, I would say you have some really good friends.
Exactly. Or family members, inheritance.
And I need friends like that. You know, how would you treat this thing? Now, let me ask you a couple questions. Would you take, and you can type in the chat feature, and keep in mind with training. So roll with me. There's some method. There's method behind this madness. Just think about it. How would you treat it? Would you take it to the convenience store and put regular gas in?
Would you put gas in that? Look at that one.
Regular gas from a convenience store.
Look at that.
Yeah, there you go. Would you do that? Would you? Somebody said I treat it like my child. That's right. Treat it.
Treat it with care.
I wouldn't have said, that's right. I mean, I'm looking at some of these. Somebody said, excuse me. That's the look. And you'll be excuse me with the side eye, right? That's you. Oh my goodness.
Would you be like this little girl right here? She's so cute. She said, I'm pulling out of the driveway just like this.
Somebody said, treat it like God's gift. That's right. That would be truly a blessing from God if somebody gave me a Lamborghini. Why do you think we're asking this question? Or you can pop it in the chat feature too. Anybody want to take a shot at it?
Because do we consider ourselves, our bodies a gift? And how do we treat it?
Boom. Next slide, Pete.
Boom.
Get the home run.
There it is.
What about a $1 billion body?
Come on.
Think about it. What about a $1 billion body?
Man.
Oh my goodness. Think about that.
Wait a minute. You know,